Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about one of the most commonly applied marketing models in practice, which is the STP model, that stands for segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Some companies make the mistake to think that anyone can be their customer, so this approach can make it really difficult for them to sell their products and services, because the customers won't feel like the proposed solution is tailored to them and to their needs. So to achieve easier sales, companies can use STP marketing model to divide the market into segments, select the most attractive segments, and then position their product or service in the marketplace to the most appealing target segment. So the first step of the STP process is to segment the market. In this step, the company divides the market into groups based on some criteria. There are a number of criteria that, like the demographic, geographic, and psychographic. For demographic, it's dividing the market based on any combination of age, gender, income level, educational level, marital status, occupation, and ethnicity. For the geographic division, it's sorting the market by country, region, state, city, or neighborhood. And for the psychographic, it's basically segmenting people by lifestyle, hobbies, activities, opinions, religious views, political affiliation, entertainment, personality traits, attitudes, etc. And then we can find a division following the behavioral tendencies of customers, which breaks down the market by how customers use the product, including how the purchase was financed, the brand loyalty, usage level, key benefits, and features. When the market is divided into segments and the company focuses on marketing on a specific segment, driven by the information that they've gathered about that specific segment, so they are much more likely to be successful than if they just simply created a one-size-fits-all generic marketing campaign. The second step of the model is targeting, which involves deciding which of the segments the company has identified are the most attractive. Essentially, the company is trying to determine the commercial attractiveness of each segment. So there are a number of factors that they can consider, either by size of the segment and its potential to grow, the profitability of the segment, taking mainly into consideration the lifetime value of a customer, or again the ease of reach, which means how easy or difficult it is for the company to reach the market with their marketing strategy and their distribution network. The last step is the positioning, which is mapping out the different variables considered in the previous two steps and position the product differently than the competitors in the minds of customers. So the company would want the service to have a unique position in the market. In marketing terms, this is called the value proposition. There are three standard ways the company can position the product to achieve a competitive advantage. The first one is the functional positioning, which refers to solving a problem or providing a benefit to customers. The second one is the symbolic positioning, which refers to enhancing the self-image, ego, or needs of the customers. For example, we can talk about the luxury cars market, in which cars are not only functional, but they also fulfill their customers' self-esteem and ego needs. The last type of positioning is the experiential positioning, which refers to basically focusing on those elements of the products or brand that connect emotionally with the customer. Ideally, companies will want to combine all of these three positioning factors to put their brand at a competitive advantage to the competitors in that specific segment. So, as you may know, I've further explained positioning in a previous video that you can go back and watch for more insights about the concepts. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.